Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying your GPU model and OS so you pick the right tool. Once done, install MSI Afterburner or GPU-Z and run as administrator. Make sure driver and BIOS are up to date so readings are accurate. Enable hardware sensors, on-screen display, and logging features immediately. You want real-time and recorded data. This prevents guessing later. Don't waste time on cosmetic settings. Turn on core and memory temperature readouts, GPU load, and fan speed now. You should observe idle temperatures for 5 to 10 minutes so you establish a baseline. Once stable, start a controlled load like a benchmark or game to generate realistic stress. Make sure the on-screen display is visible or logging is active so you capture peaks and averages. While monitoring, look for sudden spikes or temperature deltas greater than around 20 degrees between idle and load. These clues tell you whether cooling is adequate or if throttling may occur under sustained load. If you see consistently high temperatures, start with airflow. Increase case fans or adjust fan curves in your tool, then test again. If that fails, consider reapplying thermal paste or replacing pads. You can also reduce power limit or undervolt via Afterburner to lower temps without losing much performance. Make sure to update or rollback drivers if values look wrong. If readings are missing, enable sensors in BIOS, reinstall the monitoring utility, or run a second tool to verify. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.